So you have a Silverado or GMC 1500 and you want to get some floor liners for it, but you don't want to spend $300 for a factory set. Is there something affordable out there? We're going to find out. Big shout out to TripleAliners and their sister company Maslagi Auto. They've sent me a number of items now to evaluate, and so far everything's been great. They've even sent me prototype to check out and to test, which was a lot of fun. But they did supply this item for me to review. If you're interested, go to their stores and check them out. The links are down below, and they're not affiliate links, they're just direct Amazon links. Hopefully you'll check them out. They have a lot of nice stuff for protective items for inside and outside your vehicles. Okay, let's get on with the review. Okay, let's take a look at the floor liners themselves. This is the driver's side. The color is black. It is made out of TPE, which is like a rubberized plastic. Doesn't really have any smell, which is, good thing. It's got the little locking holes for the locking pins on the floor of the truck. It does have a little water channel so that this can actually hold a little bit of liquid to protect your carpets. Where the footrest goes. I'd be curious to see how much liquid this actually holds. And I think we actually are going to test that out. So let's take a quick look at the passenger side. Okay, quick look at the passenger side. Same TPE, black. Still has the liquid groove to keep liquid on the mat and not spilling over. Obviously it's contoured to fit, so this is ready to go in for sure. And we will do a little liquid test just to see how much water this actually holds, because I'm curious. Now let's look at the rear, which I think is the real star of the show. Driver's side and passenger side are mirror images of each other. Just slide it over to prove it. It's exactly the same on each side, and I'm excited to put this in. But first, I want to see how much liquid this is going to hold. It actually looks like it's going to hold a little more. This groove almost seems a little deeper, but might just be an illusion because of the way it's shaped. Okay, well, let's get going on this. Oh, one tip. When you get almost anything made out of TPE, it's obviously folded in the box and all that. Set it out in the sun. I set these out for a day in the sun, and almost every little wrinkle and crease came right out. It wants to return back to its original form when it's heated up, when it's softened up. So that is a tip. Put it out in the sun for at least a few hours, or the afternoon, or whatever, and almost every wrinkle will be gone. Just a little tip. Okay, let's do some quick testing. The engineer in me loves doing this test. This is 2 liters of water exactly, just over 2 quarts. So let's see how much water this will actually hold. Three liters. Okay, test number 2, driver's side. That's about it. We are at about 1.3 liters. And really, it's because of the tie-down holes. Oh, there we go. Just sprung a leak. And now the passenger side. Okay, so we had a little spillage, but I'm going to say 3.3 liters. Pretty good. It's definitely going to hold a big gulp if it spills. All right, we had some fun. I love checking the fluid capacity because it kind of just tells me how much dirt and mud and snow and crap can get on the floor liner and not get kicked off onto the carpet. I don't know. That's just me. I'm weird, maybe. So now we're going to install it, and let's see how that goes. Okay, all done and installed, and the pictures speak for themselves. AAA does a nice job with their floor liners, actually. I think they look pretty good. They look great on my wife's Subaru, and if you have a Subaru Crosstrek, definitely check those out. And they look great in the truck. So if you're interested, click the link to their storefront down below. I'll include a direct link to the Silverado floor liners also. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Click the like button if you so choose, and just remember, keep your wheels on the ground and be safe.